Hello dear fans. Which mountains are the highest? Mountains are parts of land that protrude significantly above the surrounding surface, at least 500 meters above the adjacent territory. Different conditions for the formation of the Earth's crust have led to the fact that in different parts of the world mountains differ in height. The highest mountains on Earth exceed 8,000 meters. Mountains are found not only on Earth, but also on other planets, as well as on the Moon and satellites. So, the highest mountain in the solar system is Olympus on Mars, which has a height of 21,200 meters. For the Earth, such a height of the mountain, according to scientists, is impossible, since the resistance of the rocks will not withstand the pressure of the mountain masses. Highest mountains in absolute height. Earthly mountains arise not only on land, but also under water. The most powerful mountains are located in the ocean. The height of the peaks can be calculated in different ways, relative to sea level or from the foot to the top. If you use the second method, then the highest mountain on Earth can be considered the volcano Mauna Kea, located on the island of Hawaii. This gently sloping mountain covered with a small snow cap rises above the ocean by only 4,205 meters, that is, it is not included even in the 100 highest elevated mountains. But if we consider its height as the distance from the bottom of the ocean to the top, then it will be more than 10,000 meters, since most of the volcano is hidden under water. Thus, the peak of Mauna Kea is higher in absolute height than Everest. Traditional list of highest peaks. But usually, when determining the highest mountains on Earth, relative height is used, that is, height above sea level. Therefore, the palm belongs undividedly to Mount Chomolungma, known among Europeans as Everest. It is located in the Himalayas on the Mahalangur Ridge and has two peaks. One rises to 8,760 meters, and the other to 8,848 meters. Both peaks are higher than any other mountain in the world. The higher the mountain, the younger it is, as old mountains are crumbling faster than they grow. The second highest mountain is called K2 or Chogori. It does not belong to the Himalayan mountain system, but belongs to the Karakoram. Its height is 8,614 meters above sea level. Chogori boasts a different record. It is the northernmost mountain in the world, with a height of more than 8,000 meters. The next 8 peaks in the list of the highest peaks in the world are located in the Himalayas. These are Kanchenjunga, Lhotse, Makalu, Cho-Oyu, Dhaulagiri, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna I. They all have a height of more than 7,000 meters. The next several dozen mountains are also in Asia, and outside this continent the mountains do not exceed 7,000 meters. So, in South and North America, the highest peak is Aconcagua with a height of 6,959 meters in the Andes. In Africa, Kilimanjaro, which rises 5,895 meters above the African savannas. In Europe, the inactive volcano Elbrus with a height of 5,642 meters in the Caucasus. In Antarctica, the Vinson Massif height 4,892 meters. The highest point of Oceania is Puncak Jaya with a height of 4,884 meters. Thanks for watching.